Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we are going to be making a strawberry lemon solstice cake since it's almost summer. So first what you'll need will be 3 eggs separated. So I just have these here. Sugar, baking powder, cake flour, lemon juice, water, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. I will put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below. So first what I'm going to do is set a few things aside. Okay, so now in a large bowl you're going to sift your cake flour and baking powder. I'm just going to put it. And then you're just going to whisk it together and make a well in the center. Now we're going to take our egg whites and vanilla extract, and we're going to froth them. So I'm going to grab the frother here and just froth it until it's like foam. Okay, so the egg whites and vanilla extract is all frothed, and now you're going to add 2 tablespoons of your sugar and beat it with a hand mixer or an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. Okay, so that is all done, and now we're going to combine our egg yolks, lemon juice, and water, and our vegetable oil. And then just whisk that until all combined. Okay, and now we're going to add in our sugar to our flour mixture. I'm just going to grab that right here. Okay, so I have my sugar, and now you're just going to add that in, and then whisk that together. Okay, now you're going to add in your egg yolk mixture. Once there's a little bit of flour still, you can start in with your hand mixer and just do that until completely combined. Now you're just going to add a little bit of what it is meringue into your mixture. Evenly distribute the batter into these 3 cake pans. So now we're going to put them in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Again, 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so while the cakes are in the oven, it's a good time to make the whipped cream. So what you will need will be heavy whipping cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. I have the vanilla extract in here. And for the electric mixer, you want your bowl to be frozen like 10, 15 to 30 minutes. Like 15 to 30 minutes. I put it in way too long. It's like really cool. So this is literally just dump and stir. So you're just going to dump and mix. So you're going to dump everything in. And then just beat it on medium and then high. Okay. That looks done. That took like 3 minutes. Like that was really easy. Now, I mean, we gotta taste it. Let's see. That is so good. I definitely prefer this whipped cream over like the store whipped cream. It's so much better. I would eat this whole thing, but I can't. Let's see. That is amazing. How fast that took, and like how easy it is. You could do this with like a hand mixer, but so easy. Now mine has about 15 minutes left. I'll see you guys then. I would also prefer putting this in the fridge until you actually need to use it. And if you just use the whipped cream and like don't do any of the cake or anything, then this is like one day, and then it gets like kind of liquidy kind of. But that's just because it's like fresh and not like store-bought. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge until I need it, and this bowl is still really cold. Okay, so now I'm going to check the cakes, see if they're done. Now you're going to let them cool in the pans for 15 minutes, and then take them out to cool completely. So it's been about 15 minutes, and now I'm going to take them out of the pans and then let them cool completely. And now we're just going to let them cool all the way. Okay, so they're nice and cooled, and I've put some whipped cream on the first bottom layer. And I also have some cut up strawberries. They're nice and thin. You're just going to place them around the cake and kind of like smush it down so it's not like super high when you put it up. And so I picked 5. And put that one right in the middle. Hey, that is the cake that we've made. It looks so good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.